Maybe his truck wouldn't go any faster.
It probably won't, there. He probably got 90,000 on it. Nah, your truck ain't got enough balls to pass him in. I done did. I done did, buddy. I already passed him there. Yes, sirree. This truck, it never gets passed. I have to pass everybody. Oh, God, not a little boy with a big toy.
Yeah, when you get to that coffee shop now, stop in there and get you some coffee and donuts, and maybe that'll settle you down.
That's what he needs. He needs a little bit of mama's milk and a donut, and he'll be happy. Some female sugar, that's all.
Boy, I tell you what, I've lived my 70 years, but I never getting a daily upset like that, man, over something little bitty that you can't do much about. So, oh well, that's just me. I can't speak for everybody.
That's right, so shut the hell up.
Mm, well, that wasn't nice.
He just unhappy with his poor paying job, that's all that is.
Oh well, my mama told me a long time ago, she says you can't make everybody happy, so make those happy that you can. He's out of my range anyway. I can't hear him no more.
That means that's a good thing, too. Nah, he's still flapping his bumping his gums.
I should probably switch to the beams and turn him around so I can hear what he's saying. Nah, you know what? I'm not going to waste the time. I don't need the aggravation.
Yeah, he woke up this morning, he can see himself in the bathroom, and he's already disgusted with himself.
I guess. All right. Yeah, have a big old good day, okay?
Bet you the frickin' dump truck driver, too.
No, he's still going.